Where to start with what I love about my new kitchen from GIA. Olivia did an amazing job working with me and helping incorporate all the design elements and practicalities of what I wanted. We're a family of 5 and a few extra friends that come around often, and so I had a lot of things I wanted in our kitchen that maybe made the design and the structure an issue, but they nailed all of them. I love my island bench. The colours are beautiful with the Esmeralda. I love the integrated appliances. I love the drawers that are so seamlessly slide in and out. My tapware, really, I just love the aesthetic. The stone's just beautiful, and the finish and the roundings of the curves that she talked me through were great. Love it. Thank you.